Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Place the pork chops on a wire rack set on a baking sheet and top evenly with any breadcrumbs remaining in the bag. Bake until the breadcrumbs are dark golden and the internal temperature of the chops registers 145 degrees Fahrenheit on an instant read thermometer. Avoid touching bone. 15 to 20 minutes.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Sear pork chops before baking. Cook about 6 minutes or until the surfaces are perfectly browned. Flip the chops as needed for an even sear. Doing this step before actually baking pork chops makes a big difference.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Place the pork on a high shelf in the oven and roast it for 25 minutes. Turn the heat down to 190 C, fan 170 C, gas 5, and calculate the total cooking time, allowing 35 minutes to the pound, then deduct the initial 25 minutes cooking time. In this case it would be a further 2.5 hours.
Let's help you make your mark.
The best pork chops to brine are chops not enhanced with a sodium water solution. Soak them in a simple, or more complex if you're adventurous, brine ratio for 2 to 4 hours to overnight until the salt has dissolved, pat dry, and cook as you normally would.
Let's help you make your mark.
Preheat oven to 325 degrees. Place pork chops in a 13 by 9 baking pan in one layer and cover with aluminum foil. Place in preheated oven and bake for 35 minutes. Turn the oven up to 350 degrees and uncover the pork chops.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.